Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You will also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the vacuum is completely powered down. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor housing. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult with us. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the motor. Carefully disconnect these wires by using the flathead screwdriver to pry them off if they are stuck. Now you should see the motor assembly. To remove the motor, locate the screws securing it in place. Again, use the T15 Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Once they are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to clean the area around the motor with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new motor is installed. Before installing the new motor, compare it with the old one to ensure it is the correct replacement. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you get the right part for your vacuum. Insert the new motor into the housing, making sure it fits snugly. Reattach the screws that hold the motor in place, ensuring they are tightened securely. Next, reconnect the wires to the motor, ensuring they are firmly attached. If you need assistance with this step, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once everything is reconnected, replace the back cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press it into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the base and pressing down until you hear a click. Plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on to test the new motor. If it runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with your vacuum repairs without the hassle. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful in restoring your vacuum to its full functionality. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.